Hey guys, welcome back to the shop, and we got something really cool for you today. And this thing is coming into the shop, and you know, normally we don't take on customer work, but this particular case, we kind of felt we needed to step up to the plate, help this guy out, and do what we can to take on this job for him, since, I don't know, just because we're nice people, I guess. But anyways, they're pulling into the shop right now. We're gonna go and check this thing out and get this thing unloaded and see what you guys think. Make sure to write down in the comments below what you guys think of this cool project. Check this out.
Should roll out pretty straight.
I was gonna say, yeah, because I can't really get to the wheel yet. Oh my god, I want to see this in the sun so bad.
Oh, it's not gonna happen today. The looks of it.
We're right, I can't even get to the wheel.
Can't get to it, yeah.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Get my remote out.
Turning?
Yeah, turn it towards you a little bit. Okay.
Straight?
Straighten it. Straighten it.
Ugh. Oh, what the hell is that?
And all it is he's got
Oh.
just a bar across. That's all he's
Okay.
got.
A little more to the right.
Turn the wheel towards you.
It is.
Right, dirty as hell right now.
Looks good.
I've had this thing done for a couple months. The dash turned out really cool.
Is this body mounted on here?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh my lordy. Woo, doggy. Wow.
I gotta get that
Block the wheels.
I gotta
block
get
the wheels,
cable
man.
for this thing.
I gotta re-put a J-hook on every time I front. Big J-hook.
Pops, you gotta see this. This is awesome. I will probably most definitely make this guy an offer with money I don't have.
I'll pull the trigger, Phil, and if you want to hold on to the cable, you got gloves and I don't.
You know what? Don't even worry about it. I gotta undo the cable.
Oh, okay.
Put it on there, right? When we were doing it, the car backed up and it loosened the cable up, so
Oh,
just like that.
Oh, I see.
But don't lock down for some reason. So I'm gonna get the rope if you can get.
That is a 12,000 pounds.
No, that's just for now. I had a 12,000 in my other trailer. And we got selling that. 12 kind of overkill, you know, for what I do.
I got two of the 12s.
Yeah, they're nice.
I got one I put on a hitch. Put it back in your truck, so you can use anywhere.
Okay.
Off the hitch.
Wow.
Yeah, it took, you know, it took so long as though getting all these lines like right. Like this hood, there's brackets that go onto this hood. I got that tied down. There's brackets that go on here, and I got them. What you gotta do is so once you get everything lined up, you line the hood up and then tighten the brackets down. And that's what keeps it from flopping around. So right now it moves around a lot, so just watching the clothes.
Okay guys, so we're back in the shop here now, and we had got this thing unloaded and got it into the shop now. So as you've seen it, really, really cool car. We're excited to have this 57 Bel Air in the shop, and it's definitely gonna be a project car, but we're gonna get this thing put back together, get it running, driving, and it's gonna take some time. So understand that right off the bat. There'll be several video series on this car on the channel. Just came back from paint, and she's looking pretty cheery, but it needs everything. So we're gonna turn this thing around and let you guys take a look as we discover. We haven't even went through our parts inventory yet, but we're gonna go around and check it out because we didn't tear it apart. So this is kind of where we're getting the car. So see what you guys think. Yeah, Brando over here, he's digging through already. What do you think, Brando?
Lord save my soul.
Why? So, on to the next thing, since he's speechless. This is kind of what we're looking at for parts so far.
This is the clutch.
Does have a wiring harness, a couple boxes of wiring harnesses.
That's the clutch. Or brake light, maybe.
Yeah, it looks like a brake assembly, maybe.
Yep. Here's the master cylinder.
Yep.
It's a brake.
Yep.
That's the old one.
I think there's one in there, I
Yeah.
do believe.
That's your foot.
All of your stuff for the dash. We're going to go through again and do the inventory. Some weather stripping.
Distributor, fuel pump,
All your stuff for the dash.
belts even. Thank the Lord.
Shocks.
I was just wondering if the belts were in here.
Distributor there, all the belts.
That belt looks like
What do
hell.
we got here?
Needs a belt, that's for sure.
Let's see what this is. Yeah. Fantastic.
Oh, that's for the engine.
Yeah.
That's the computer for the engine.
Exactly, yep.
Oh, what's this one? This is all that stuff for the engine he said we need.
And, oh, here's the new fins. Here's the new louvers for the fenders.
Oh, good. The wiring
All
harness is
the
right
trim.
there. Yeah.
Bunch of trim.
Alright, so there's a lot in here.
Yeah, there's quite a bit here. Some of the lines right here, I don't know what these are for.
Fuel lines, it looks like.
It's pretty small for fuel. It's probably brake lines, isn't it? Rear brake, yep.
Okay. Oh, so it might not have brakes. These are empty boxes?
Yeah, so a lot of trim, you know, the stuff that is not really
There's nothing in here.
that important.
Yep, there is. Trim.
Yeah, probably trim stuff. But as far as all the trim for the side of the car, I don't know what's all here, but let's take you around real quick and look at the car. That's kind of the big thing. So we're focusing on the trunk. But if you want to kind of take a look down the side of the car. Good friend of ours, Phil, painted this car, and he's an amazing painter. Did a great job on this thing, painting it. So again, it's a driver paint job. This is not a super high quality show car, blah, 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 paint job, Detroit Autorama, blah, blah, like it's a, this is a driver paint job. And that's exactly what the guy got. That's what he wanted, so he got what he wanted. The interior of the car, it's nice. You know, the back seat, make yourself comfortable. You're right there. Just have a seat, kick your feet up. It's the, actually, I don't know if this is a Bel Air. I think it's a 210. Isn't that what you
Tags
said?
in here say Bel Air.
Oh, it is a Bel Air, because look at the trim right here. Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
that's why.
Oh, it's a Bel Air. Well, no, I think the chrome goes all the way up,
This
and
goes right in the.
I think a Bel Air does that too. Yeah. Yep.
That'll look good.
Yep. So as far as wheels and tires, everything is still up for discussion. As far as all that good stuff, new gas tank. Looks like new sending unit. The books on how to put this thing all back together, because quite frankly, it's like a big puzzle.
We didn't tear it apart.
And yeah, and we didn't tear it apart, so that makes things a bit tougher. So looks like the wiring is still up there for the dome light.
Yeah, there's the wiring coming to the back, so.
Yeah, and there's some wiring in the car, so that's good. We're gonna pull out what's not needed. There's some wiring up under the dash here. Look at the dash. Speedometer goes way up there. Yep. You see that? Look how high the speedometer goes. Oh, one big thing missing. The wheel to turn it. Yeah, that's not there. Yep. I didn't see the steering wheel in the trunk yet,
I
but
have.
we didn't look yet. So. Huh?
I have a 57 steering
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you do. Yeah.
I was gonna paint it for a,
So-
supposed to be a towel holder.
Dash been painted already. He wanted it painted black.
Black and red
I
is
don't believe we
two-tone.
have any glass for
Nope.
the car yet.
It's a glass he wants all new.
We're gonna go ahead and raise the hood, so we gotta
They're gonna
get this
untie it.
string untied here
Untie
off
it.
here. And Brandon's gonna go around and take care of that. So
I'm just gonna cut it.
passenger's door needs a weather stripping put on it, obviously, and you know,
This one's tied too tight. I'm gonna cut this one.
body gaps have already been set already, so that's good. That's gonna save a lot of work right there.
Window frames are over here.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, the interior window frames have been painted black. Take over and just give a peek at those real quick. That's a big deal. But yeah, you see them over there.
Need a
Good.
good cleaning.
Good deal.
Watch out, look at my knife over.
So it's straight. Oh, you're gonna cut the.
Yeah,
string here.
that one tied really tight.
So that's pretty cool. But we decided to take this job on for a customer here, and this is the motor here sitting in here.
Fuel injected.
So yeah, she's
Oh, the hood opens nice.
she's nice. Very well done. But yeah.
Looks like it's literally a plug and play. Alternator's missing. I think that was on it though.
I thought it was too.
Maybe it was just a mock-up one.
Oh, we got some pictures when we first seen the project. We didn't tell any of you guys because we was kind of hiding it from you. We wanted just to be surprised, as we are.
That we had to talk to the guy.
So yeah, and yeah, so I guess we are in the process now of taking on just a couple, note I said couple customer jobs to get these things put back together, because quite frankly, there's like, yeah, there's a lot of work to do these things, you know, and they need somebody to give them some love.
I didn't care for this the first time I saw it, but I actually kind of dig it. It's kind of cool.
Yep, it is cool.
We're gonna figure out a breather system.
I believe, no, this is a brand new motor, isn't it?
Supposedly.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's supposed to be a Goodwrench 350.
Yeah.
So we're gonna figure out a ducting system here, because this is gonna have like a cold air intake style on it.
Well, maybe we can run it behind the grill.
That, or maybe we can run it over
Oh, wait,
here.
there is a, what's that tube right there?
There's another one in there for the.
Oh yeah, that goes right into the car.
But you know what? It's a 57 Chevy, and I will guarantee you by the time this is over, I will have made an offer to this guy with money I don't have.
Yeah, so anyways, it's kind of a family heirloom car too, type of thing. So it was, it still is, I should say, the dad's car.
Oh.
So we kind of taking it on to get it finished up. So
There is no brakes at all.
yeah, there's no brake system,
There's no hoses, no lines.
Nope.
I thought that was all done.
and they're probably in the back.
I thought he said that was all done.
Well,
That's gonna be.
it is what it is. So, yeah, door panels, we're probably going to have to get door panels for it. So I think that Dan Chuck is probably going to be a good friend of ours.
Who?
Dan Chuck.
Who's Dan Chuck?
You don't know who Dan Chuck is?
No.
You ever heard of 57 Chevys?
Yeah.
Then you should have heard of Dan Chuck.
I might have misheard him.
They're one of the #1 manufacturers for parts for these. You can build a whole car from Dan Chuck. 57
Well,
Chevy.
Dan Chuck, sponsor this video.
Yeah, you should. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. Help us out. Trying to help this guy out and get this thing done, put back together for him, so he can drive this thing. So, anyways, we're gonna take you guys along on the channel here for this thing. This is we gotta come up with a name for it. You know, you can't just call it 57 Chevy. That's just kind of boring, you know.
Can't call it the Black Widow because it's
So
not black.
it's not black. Yep. This is actually a
Cherry pie.
This is actually a Corvette color.
Cherry pie.
Not bad.
Or Vet Air.
Huh?
Vet Air. Or Core Air. No, it's too much like Corvair.
What?
Corvette and Bel Air.
Anyways, this is a newer 2005, wasn't it? Corvette color? No.
I think it's brand new.
No, brand new Corvette color. So that's what it kind of went with. But look at this paint, man. Look at the light shining in that paint. Look at that. That is beautiful.
Nice color.
Absolutely beautiful.
I'm excited.
So yeah, it's Project 57. We can't call it Project X.
Ooh, that'd be cool.
Project X. It does
Like
look
Project
like that.
57.
Does look like Project X.
Let's call it X Project Y.
X1. Oh, XY. The Project Z.
No, that's just dumb.
Anyway.
Cherry pie.
So,
we should get a name for it.
yeah, I don't know. Why don't you guys come up with a name for it? Drop it down
Yeah,
below
we already
in the
got
comments.
We're
yeah.
doing the work. You guys can come up with a name.
Yeah,
You gotta
we're
do something
coming.
here.
It's cool. I mean, it's like a vet color. It's Dad's car.
Control arm bushings
It's
are all
the
done.
Dad's
That's
car.
good.
So we're kind of giving you things to help come up with a name for it, you know. So those are some tips. And it's going to be, according to what we understand so far, they're kind of thinking a classic street machine look. So it isn't going to be lowered. It's not going to have
20-inch wheels.
We don't expect it to have 20-inch lowered wheels, any of that stuff. I do believe, so far I've talking with the owner, that they want to do a classic street machine look. So there you have it. So
I like the way this chassis is done.
what the wheels and tires are going to be, I don't know. Yeah, the chassis all been powder coated.
New ball joints, new bushings, everything's new in the chassis.
All been powder coated.
Yeah, just gonna need an ligament.
Real good cleaning too. Yep.
That's gonna suck.
Yep, but it is what it is. So anyways, guys, all right, so there you have it.
Cherry bomb.
So there you have it, guys. There it is, Project 57. We don't know what class of 57.
Nah.
No.
That's an old man's car.
Whatever, dude.
You can't call it that.
Anyway, so it's the fuel injected 57, but it's a 2-door post car. So it's probably going to be like a,
Yeah, sir.
I don't know if the car was originally a 210 and we're converting it to a Bel Air.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think
I don't
that the
think
chrome
anybody
that
knows.
runs all the way up to the windows makes it a Bel Air, but I'm not 100% sure. And that's sad
I
because
think
should
these make it a Bel Air
I
too.
should know that
think
for
210s
57 Chevy.
didn't have these.
No, I think a 210 had them on there too, but the 150s didn't have holes. They just had the indents there.
I'm really excited to get some trim on one side so we can see what the trim is going to look like with the color.
Yep, lining it all up.
Well, first things first, wiring.
Yeah, so we're gonna
Get
get on the
more
wiring, and we got to finish the flooring. I'm not sure if we're gonna do sound deadener in there yet, because it has a spray sound deadener in there.
We should do it on the doors though.
But we may do like the stick-on Dynamat, kill mat, something like that in there type of thing. So then we got to get on that steering column and that steering box.
I'm getting it to run
Yeah, yeah,
because this motor's never ran.
so, yeah, that's correct. So, all right, guys. So there you have. We're gonna cut out. We got a lot to do. In case you guys haven't noticed, we got a lot to do.
Yeah, if we don't have this done, we're going to lose the shop.
And I got to get back on the Christine project too myself. So it's between this, the Christine project, and we might have took a couple other customer jobs by accident. But
Send help.
anyways, guys, this is what we love. So we'll check back with you later. Take care of yourselves, take care of your families. Later, guys. Peace.